Want to write code faster and more efficiently? It's not just about typing speed, it's about optimizing your workflow. Let's explore some practical strategies to help you become a more productive developer. Get ready to level up your coding game. Your Integrated Development Environment, or IDE, is your primary tool. Learn its shortcuts and features inside and out. Using keyboard commands for navigation, refactoring, and debugging can dramatically reduce mouse reliance and speed things up. Explore plugins and extensions that automate repetitive tasks specific to your language or framework. If you find yourself doing the same thing manually multiple times, automate it. This could be setting up build processes, running tests, or deploying code. Tools like scripts, task runners, and CI/CD pipelines free up your time for actual coding. Invest time up front to save countless hours later. Large coding tasks can feel overwhelming. Break them down into smaller, manageable sub-problems. Focus on solving one small piece at a time. This makes the work less daunting and helps you make steady progress, leading to faster completion of the overall project. Context switching kills productivity. Try to create a focused environment where you can concentrate on coding. Turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs, and set dedicated work blocks. Deep work leads to better code and faster development cycles. Boosting productivity is an ongoing process. Implement these tips gradually and see which ones work best for you. By working smarter, not just harder, you'll write better code faster and enjoy the process more. Keep learning and keep coding efficiently.